Good day, everybody. Once again, welcome to Flicker Brain. If this is your first time on this channel and you're interested in everything regarding Google AdSense loading and also AdSense arbitrage, you can quickly hit the subscribe button so that whenever I drop a video, you get notified. Now, I'm showing you guys an update regarding the last video I made on this channel. And you can see this is the AdSense account I posted on the channel previously. So you can see what these AdSense accounts have done so far this particular month that we're pushing in traffic. As I normally say, this account, what we're working on this account is arbitrage and loading. And this loading I'm working on this site is bot traffic. So from here, you can see what we have done on the site. This is a site that has organic traffic, and mixed with our arbitrage method, you can see the amount of clicks we have generated, and perfectly, you can see the amount of CPC. Now, with arbitrage, you cannot get this high amount of CPC. The reason you're seeing this CPC high is because of we are mixing this our arbitrage method with loading method. And now this loading strategy is very effective. With this loading strategy, you can increase your CPC depending on the type, regardless of the type of site you're working on. Even if you're working with a site that has no insurance, you can still increase the CPC. All you need is the perfect cookies. And all of us know that cookies is the major reason CPC increases. So all you just need is the perfect cookies, and you can see this is just the first week of this month, and you can see that the CPC has risen to this amount of money. Checking as we keep pushing in traffic, you still see how it is still rising. This is just night, and the campaign for the arbitrage has already stopped. I've stopped the campaign for the arbitrage, so everything you're now seeing is just loading work that is going on at the site, loading work, and you can see how everything is moving perfectly. You can see that the month that have not even gone far, we have already made up to like $1,000 on the account. Just this month have not yet gone far. So this strategy from the dashboard, you can see for yourself that is very effective. It's a strategy that you can definitely use on your site, and you see good results on your account. You can see how much we just generated today, $500. As we keep pushing in traffic, with time, we will increase our daily target to like $1,000. Normally, our daily target for these first 2 weeks is going to be around $500 daily. You can see what we did yesterday. This was around $300. So that is just our plan for this month. So from the after next 2 weeks, we start pushing in $1,000 daily on this site. $1,000 daily on this site. This site, our aim for this site is load the $40,000 this month, and it's going to come out. You will receive the money. Okay, so if you want to get more inquiries about this method, you can check out on the link on the description box to reach out to me, and I'll see you guys in the next video when I'm dropping our updates. Stay safe, everyone.